Hello everyone, my name is Lucas and today I'm going to show you how to make music using glass cups, which we got 6 here. You can use 7 if you want. Okay, let's get started. First, take a jar that First, take a jar and put the water in the cups we need. Before you put it, make sure it has different layers. That's too much. And that's okay. It depends. The music depends on how much water do you got in the glass cup. So if you don't put that much water in the glass cups and like levels, they're all just same levels of waters, the music, there will be no music. And I just ran out of water. I don't think there's many more water, so I'm just going to take some more quickly. Just a second.
Can I give you water? More?
Yeah, I need many. Later, you take back here. Okay, I'm going to talk about something else first. Try just hitting a cup using spoons like this. You can hear that sound. Why? Because the sound travels like here. If I just hit it, this sound travel here like a circle to over here, making the sound. It is going very smoothly because nothing is touching it. So it goes very smoothly and make this. And if you do it too loudly, too hard, like bang, and the cup, your ears will get hurting. So never ever do that. At least you are hitting a bell. Okay. Then first try hitting cups with no water in it. The sound is just same, but with water, the sounds go higher. I didn't do any magic trick. You can watch YouTube. Oh, and sorry. I didn't tell you the cups can't touch together, or the sound would be like more rocky. Now hear it again. The sound is not same, right? I try doing this. Oh, I love it. It's like you're playing Minecraft and you get some XPs. And why do we use shorter cups? If you see carefully, the level to this cup and this cup is actually the same level. But the sound is not same because the cup's shape are not same. So the sound travels differently. Like sometimes the sound travel like zigzags and sometimes it just travel like a circle, which is so smooth. In my paper, I said you can use 7 or 6. And if you really actually spill it, just take an extra towel. It might come in handy later, but it's useless for now. You can't really do it like this sometimes. You can only do it like this. So how do you make it like sounds going up? You can actually do it even at the walls. You like the sounds? And I'm going to go and have a look at my job. And that's all for today's video. Thank you. And please remember to use more than 5 water, which I only got now. Bye.